Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying power and audio endpoints. First, remove trim panels to expose the fuse box and stereo harness. Locate a switch 12V accessory lead so the modulator powers only with ignition. Next, find a reliable ground point on the chassis. Clean paint for a solid connection. Finally, choose your audio path, AUX or FM transmission, and run the modulator's power and audio cable toward the head unit, keeping wires away from moving parts and heat. Now wire the modulator precisely. Use an add-a-fuse to tap switch 12V or splice with heat shrink for a secure joint. This prevents accessory drain. Attach the ground wire to bare metal using a ring terminal and bolt. Thread the audio lead to the head unit or AUX jack, securing with zip ties. Set the modulator's transmit frequency to an unused station. If the unit requires antenna input, follow manufacturer guidance to avoid antenna loading and maintain reception. Finish by testing audio over a drive. Power the car, tune the head unit to your selected frequency, then play audio and listen for clarity and stereo separation. If hiss or dropouts occur, adjust the modulator's output level and try a different nearby frequency to avoid broadcast interference. Make sure cables are tight and insulated. If you hear grounding hum, resecure the chassis ground and isolate signal wires from power. Once stable, replace panels and stow excess cable for a clean install.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.